Alright, here we are, day 9 of the small account challenge. We're up 66.75 before commissions, and after commissions we're up 46.85, 46.50 around there. We're great day. I was very disciplined today. I did take 3 trades, or yeah, 3 trades. Um, I'm starting to get used to taking a little bit more trades, and making sure I still hold that quality standard and high accuracy. I went 3 for 3 today. Um, as well as I didn't take any pre-market trades. I woke up at 8 a.m. or Eastern time, 5 a.m. my time, like I normally do, and I just didn't see anything. I was watching. I had 4 stocks on watch. I had XBIO, PBTS, CNFR, and AHPI, all on watch. And none of them were making any sort of significant move pre-market. AHPI was a continuation play over this 1550 area, and in pre-market we were at 1530. That was the high, and then I was actually thinking about taking the trade there at 1530, and it would have resolved nicely through the breakout of 1550 all the way up to 1650 almost. I was thinking about it, but it just didn't seem like it was my type of play. It's 16 bucks, so it's a little bit out of price range, and or a little bit out of my ideal price range. I still trade stocks up there, but so I wasn't exactly. I was today. I wanted to focus on ideal setups, and we got a few of them in the regular market hours after the market was open. So it's my first time trading market open since June. It's been quite some time since I've actually traded 9:30 opening bell. So I was a little bit shaky at the beginning because I haven't traded that in a while. I do know it's more volatile in the first 15 minutes of the market open. So I was a little bit shaky, but it actually worked out very, very nicely. And we kept our composure very nice. CNFR, we have this one, it topped out at 440. And I got on and I saw it around here. Here's 8 a.m. I saw it was curling up. If it broke this pivot, I wasn't going to get in until it even got close to pre-market highs because, as you can see, the VWAP this entire time is just downtrending the entire time, the entire day. So yeah, um, there was really nothing on CNFR. I wasn't even really watching it. XBIO and PBTS were the two I was really watching, and those were the two I made my profit on. Um, let's start with PBTS. Um, let's see here. The pre-market high of PBTS was 193 with a pivot at 186 and 179. Um, at market open, I was watching XBIO, so I didn't see PBTS break that first pivot level. If I did, I might have gotten in. I'm not gonna be too sure. I'm not gonna be too confident about that. Um, Probably would have waited for the first 1 minute count to make a new high, but which is what I ended up doing. But yeah, it squeezes up at the open and all the way up to 90, and then we pull back, and then here I get in on the first 1 minute count to make a new high at 186 with 900 shares. And I'm taking profit out at the previous high of 89. Took out half there just to be safe. I didn't want what happened yesterday to happen to me again with that huge size. Yesterday I had huge size. I took off a couple of cents of profit, and then the rest I got out break even. I ended up being red, like 10 bucks on commissions, and like I was actually still green on the other, or like it was only down 4 bucks, but I ended up being down 14 bucks. So I didn't want that to happen again. So I took out half profit with this 3 cents, and then got out the rest for let's see here, for 193 and 189. I got out 189 as kind of like a panic sell. It was dropping down. I did not want what happened yesterday to happen, so I sold out for 33 bucks profit. In reality, if I held, that would have been a much bigger winner as I still had 300 shares on me. But it is what it is. Right after that, right after we sell out at 9:35:26. 30 seconds later, we're already in XBIO. That's just how fast opening bell is. That's partly why I don't like trading it too much, is because of how fast it is. You really need to be picking up on these moves. And even here, I'm kind of chasing, but we do have that significant. We just broke out of VWAP. We're hitting a red to green move. Breaking out of VWAP and hitting this pre-market pivot at 396. So I get in 300 shares at 394, and I sell out at 403 and 4 for I believe that was like what, like 18. I think it was 18 bucks. Um, I think so. And then I take another trade after we break this high. I was actually watching 417. That was the more important level for a pivot, because that was it was more defined. This was like a little mini VWAP touch and then fade, and then back to breaking VWAP, which was good. But this next one at 417, I expected it to go more. I really did. I thought I'd get into the 30s, but we sell out at 23.19, and the last one we saw a little bit of a loss at 410, just because we didn't want to give it back any profit. So, three trades today, all green, 66.75 total. And tomorrow, if we end green, it's gonna be a great week, and we'll actually be up quite a lot on the account. Right now, we're up around $90 on these last 2 weeks on the account. And I'm really liking seeing this growth. It's um, I haven't really been able to have consistent growth in uh, in trading whatsoever when it comes to real money. So actually being able to consistently start trending upwards is I'm really excited about this. I think I think it's gonna happen. I think we can actually do this, and that's I'm getting really excited. I'm trying to keep my composure though, keep my discipline. Today with no pre-market trades, that was very disciplined of me. I did see that AHPI trade, and while I recognized that it was there, I did also recognize that I wouldn't have the risk tolerance to take it. Because if it did, let's say it broke 1530, I'm in at 1535 because I hesitate or something. And then let's just say it go, let's just say it goes and flushes down to 1488, which is still even within this range. I'd be down 50 cents almost on, let's see, I would take probably 100 shares. So I'd be down 50 bucks like that. And that's still within range. That still has potential of bouncing back up. Imagine if it falls broke and then flushed down to like 1460, and now it's downtrending, and I'm already deep underwater like that. I didn't want to risk that. Even though the risk was small, I didn't want to take that big of a risk. That's like $70 risk. I didn't want to do that, especially because we're already doing so good on the week. We have 3 green days, 1 red day, and hopefully tomorrow can be green too, making it 4 green days. That'd be great. Um, all right, thank you for listening. Tomorrow's gonna be day 10, and the end of week 2, we got a special stat breakdown tomorrow at the end of the episode, or throughout the episode. But yeah, we're gonna go over some of our stats for the last 2 weeks. We have enough data now to kind of start looking at that and seeing where we need to improve, where we need to fine tune it. But I think we're doing really good right now if we just stay on course. All right, and that'll be all for today. Adios. Thank you.